Hello, hello. Okay, today is Thursday, 10th September 2020. I'm sorry with that. Topic: the Tin Soldier. Performance: read the story, page 4 to 9. Okay, remember, if you don't have the book, don't worry about that. Only read the story. And the student who has the book, you can open your book, please, page number 4, and start to read. Okay, we start. The Tin Soldier. It's Tom's birthday today. He's having a party at his house. All his friends are there. They are playing. Look, this is Tom, and he is his birthday. Happy birthday. Yes, it's his birthday today. Today is 10th of September. Today is the birthday. He's having a party. Look, the party at his house, in the house. Okay. All the friends, look, the friends, his friends are there. They are playing. Okay. Happy birthday, Tom. Look, I have a present for you. Here you are. Open it. Okay? It's a present. A present. And the woman say, open it. Open the present. Hey, it's a box of tin soldiers. They are great. Thanks, mother. And the mother, you say the mother. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Okay, continue. Here. Tom is taking the tin solder out of the box. Take out. Yeah, and take in his hands. Take the solder. Wow! The boy said. Wow! They are holding muscles. How many soldiers are there? How many? Remember que lo vimos? How many? Porque son contables. ¿Cuántos? How many soldiers are there? Look at that. They are wearing red, blue uniforms. The uniforms is red and blue, the hat. There are 25 soldiers in the box. Okay, the answer is how many soldiers are there? The answer is 25 soldiers in the box. Continue. One of the soldiers is different from the others. One soldier is different. The other are similar. But this soldier is different. Look at this one. He has one leg, only one leg, the leg, one leg. Poor soldier, he can't do anything with one leg. Okay, no puede hacer nada con una sola pierna. Oh, poor, look the eyes. Oh my God, what happened with the soldier? Like this. The boys put the soldier on the table in the playroom. Okay, this is the table. Okay, soldiers, go to sleep. Come on, everyone. Let's go to my room now. There are lots of toys there too. Okay? And they put the soldiers on the table. Look, the table. Put the soldier on the table. And he said, go to sleep. And he said for the friends, come on, everyone. Let's go to my room now. to my room, in the bedroom of Tom, and there are a lot of toys there too. They have more toys. Remember? Recuerdan la toys. Toy Story, toys. They have more toys. Okay, okay, if you have your book, please open your book, page 8, and activity. Say it. Ya les digo qué dice ahí. Wait for me. I open the book. Activity page. Activity page. Number 1. Look and say. Look. Eso es una lata, un soldado, una caja. Put, la acción de colocar algo, algún objeto sobre otro. Put. Y un mosquete, creo que se llama. Ok. Los niños saben más que yo de this name in Spanish. Ok. Tin, solder, box, put, musket. Estas son las armas antiguas que utilizaban los soldados. Continue. Label the picture and color. Color, please, if you have your book. If you have your book, you can color. And if you don't have your book, si no tienes el libro, entonces por favor dibuja pequeño. No es necesario que hagas algo gigante. Pequeño, small picture about this vocabulary in your notebook, please. Table. Table. Present. Present. Tin solder. Tin solder. Toys. Toys. And please, you make the activity in your notebook. And then I check. Luego las reviso. Look. Number, activity, like this. Put, esta sí no es necesaria que la hagas si no tienes el libro. No la hagas, por favor, porque no es necesario. Look. Put the picture in order. Write 1 to 4. Look that, and you write number 1 is the first, and number 4 is the number first, second, third, and fourth. The last activity. You do that as is. And number 4, who say that? Si no tienes el libro, puedes escribir solamente Tom, mother, and friend. Okay? And write, ¿quién dijo esto? I have a present for you. He can't do anything with one leg. Hey, it's a box of tin solder. Okay, please make this activity in your notebook. And then we check. Okay, después la vamos a revisar. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Have a good day. Bye.